When someone orders a martini, typically they know exactly how they want their drink. So I'm gonna help you try to figure out what you like and how to order it. So if somebody walks up to the bar and they say, hey, I'd like a martini, I have a lot of questions. Okay, do you want gin or vodka is gonna be the first question I'm gonna ask them. Say they say vodka. I'm gonna say, do you have a preference? Would you like Kettle One, Grey Goose, Belvedere? If they say house, that person is not a martini drinker. They just want to know if they like it. Then I would ask, do you want it dirty, dry, how dirty? Dry is referring to this dry vermouth. Dirty would be referring to olive brine. A typical martini is going to have a tiny bit of dry vermouth in it. Dry vermouth, this one is 18% alcohol. This tastes like wine that has gone bad. That's what it tastes like. I made a scale for you guys. This is the dry scale. So if you say you want a Belvedere martini dry, I would put 2 ounces of Belvedere in the shaker, a ½ ounce of dry vermouth, and then I would stir that and strain it out into the martini glass after I had dumped this water out. This is the part that always confused me. If you say extra dry, it means less dry vermouth than a dry one. Wet means 1 part dry vermouth, 2 parts vodka. Bone dry would mean no vermouth. And then there's the dirty scale. If you say, no, I don't want it dirty, that means no olive juice or olive brine. Dirty means a ½ ounce of olive juice. Extra dirty would mean 1 ounce. You can tell the bartender however you want them to make it. We want to make it exactly like you like it. Filthy, I would do like equal parts vodka and olive brine. So if I was ordering a martini out at a bar, this is how I would order it, and we're going to make it together. I would say I would like a Belvedere, extra dirty, extra dry martini. So we're going to add 2 ounces of Belvedere to our shaker. We've had our glass chilling this whole time, so I'm gonna dump this out. We're gonna add a little bit of dry vermouth. We're gonna swirl this around and then dump this out. And then extra dirty would mean about 1 ounce of olive brine. So that's probably good. We're gonna stir this. Then we strain this out in here. And they say that you're supposed to put an odd number of olives on the stick. I don't really know why, but we're gonna try it. It's an acquired taste, but I do feel fancy, and I love olives. I have had people order martinis with pickle juice instead of olive juice, or pepperoncini juice or jalapeno juice. I know martinis can be confusing. I just ask the customer what they want, make sure that we're on the same page, because I want them to love their martini.